experience was great and scenery was beautiful. October is considered ending of the tourist season, but we still had to queue for more than half an hour for a picture with the iconic 3 blue domes. Discover the iconic beauty of Santorini on a walking tour through its most picturesque villages. Begin in Pyrgos, a peaceful medieval gem with winding streets and castle ruins. Continue to Firostefani and enjoy a scenic 30-minute clifftop walk to Imerovigli with breathtaking caldera views. Then, drive to Oia for free time to explore its stunning cave homes, whitewashed alleys, and unforgettable vistas. End the tour in the capital, Thira, where you can stroll the caldera promenade or relax in a café or taverna. Note, this tour includes over 2 hours of walking on cobbled, uneven paths. Comfortable, non-slip shoes and sun protection are recommended.